Hi everyone. Well, my paper pumpkin just arrived. It's a big delivery day for me because I also just got my first order from the new catalog today too, so lots to go through. I wanted to show what is in this new box, and you know, I don't even know myself because I've been so busy that I haven't looked at any sneak peeks. So even I don't know what's in this box. Alright, no idea. I know that the colors on the box are featuring brand new in color collection, so that is not a surprise, but the rest is. Okay, that's a fun box. So it's supposed to be featuring all of our new colors, which are wild wheat. So I can see that here, copper clay, moody mauve. What is the other one? Pebbled path, which is probably up here in these mountains. It's a very dark brown. And then there's boho blue, which is kind of like this river here. So very fun box. And let's see. Oh, look at that. I've got, it's kind of like, how fun. The boho blue is also the tissue paper. So the stamp set, I'm going to show you this one. Let me see what's the correct way here. Here we go. Cheers to another adventure. Happy birthday. Life is meant for good friends and great adventures. It doesn't matter where you're going, it's who you have beside you. Very cute. And you've got like a camp cup, a compass, and a hiking boot. Really fun. I've got some fun family photos from Starved Rock State Park that I think would be great for some of these stamp images. Yeah, very cute. And like I said, in my video about the new catalog, I thought they had some really different stamp sets and more whimsical, less floral, and that's going to be nice for some masculine. My husband was the Boy Scout leader and my kids were both in scouting, so for my family this is really good. Okay, and I knew there was an add-on, and that is these card bases, and this is, you have to go online and purchase this. If you're a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, you can purchase a card pack, and I think it comes, oh, I wonder, I'm trying to think what it makes. I think it's a pack of 8 card bases and matching envelopes, and they look kind of like this. I think that it comes in 2 different styles, and you can buy them at the online store. So anyway, that's what this is. New stamp spot, copper clay. Don't have that color because it's brand new. Pretty tissue. Okay, here is these kit. Okay, so I think what you can buy add-on is more card bases like this. I think that's what I saw. Okay, this set comes with these fun stickers. I don't think that these go on any of the projects. I think these are just a fun little add-on. Really cute. I like the hiking boot with the flowers in it. It's really fun. Okay, and we've got some linen thread, some compasses, binoculars. I went with my daughter's Girl Scout troop to Mammoth Caves last summer. That was really fun, and this would be a good little thing to have for that too. I can use those. I like to use some of my little pieces sometimes in my scrapbook pages, so I'm kind of, my brain's going there, but also can give a card like this to the troop leaders too. Really cute. So this is how you make the cards. Here are some dimensionals. We've got some envelopes. I think there's probably 3 different kinds. The kit makes 9 cards. The envelopes are decorated really fun. And there's probably 3 different bases. You've got this one, and this one. It's got a little canoe. And we've got some labels. I think I saw some more little pieces in there. Where are they? Oh, here they are. Some labels and some compasses and binoculars and some layering pieces that go behind the label. So this is what the cards look like when you're done. So if you didn't get this month's Paper Pumpkin kit and wish you did, let me know. I always have an extra. And if you never want to miss a box, subscribe so you'll get next month's box. Next month's box, by the way, is, I think they showed a little bit of it. this is a sneak peek. Doesn't really show much, but it shows you that it coordinates with this paper from the annual catalog and has some colors, and that's one of the stamps. And there's going to be an add-on die. You don't need the dies to make the cards in the kit, but it's just an add-on thing if you want to get to kind of extend the use of your kit. So that is next month. Subscribe by the 10th to get this one. It's called the Welcome in Paper Pumpkin Kit. Thanks for watching. Bye.